In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in Google Calendar. Starting off, we all know how hectic life can get, right? Juggling your personal life, work, and everything in between can sometimes feel like a circus act. But lucky for us, technology has given us tools like Google Calendar to help keep our schedules in check. And what's even better is that you can share your calendar with friends, family, or colleagues, making coordinating a whole lot easier. So if you're ready to get your calendar shared and life a bit more organized, follow me through these simple steps. First things first, you'll want to sign into Google Calendar. Go ahead and type in your email and password and click Next to proceed. It's kind of like unlocking the door to your digital life, isn't it? Once you're logged in, navigate to the week of October 19th, 2025. I know we're thinking ahead, but it's just to give you an example of how to do this. Google Calendar lets you view your schedule in day, week, or month views, so feel free to choose whichever suits you best. Next up, we're going to dive into the settings. Look for that gear icon, often found in the top right corner of your screen, and click on it. It's your gateway to customizing your Google Calendar experience. After clicking into settings, go ahead and click on your calendar. You might have one or several calendars listed here, so just select the one you want to share. Now for the exciting part, sharing your calendar. Look for the option that says share with specific people or groups. This is where the magic happens. This feature is fantastic for when you want to share your schedule with your significant other, your workout buddy, or even your entire project team at work. Click on Add People and Groups to start adding the lucky recipients of your calendar. Whether it's one person or a group of people, you can simply type in their email addresses. After you've selected who you're sharing your calendar with, you'll click on their email. This step is crucial because it ensures that the invitation goes directly to the people you've chosen. Finally, after you've double checked that everything looks good, hit send. This sends out the invites to your chosen people or groups, granting them access to your calendar according to the permission settings you've chosen. And there you go. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar. Now, coordinating with others will be a breeze, as they can see your availability and plan accordingly. It's a small step towards making life a little more organised and a lot less stressful. Just a few tips before we wrap up. Remember, you can always go back and adjust who has access to your calendar or change their permissions. Life changes, and sometimes so does who we want to share our details with. Google Calendar makes this easy to adjust whenever you need to. And if you're ever feeling stuck, Google's help articles and community forums are a great resource. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to share your Google Calendar with me today. Whether it's for personal use, coordinating with a friend, or keeping your work team in sync, sharing your calendar is a powerful step toward better communication and organization.